Attention to garage car owners. Do you want your garage to be filled with bookings, with MOT bookings, with service bookings, where people requesting, hey, we need an exhaust pipe changed, or we need a gearbox change, or repairs, or diagnostic, fault diagnosis, and so on? Now, if that's the case, please keep watching this video, and I want to show you 5 different ways in which we help garage owners just like yours to help their MOT bookings diary be filled every single day on a consistent basis. Not just MOT, but for services and all other services that your garage may provide, so that your local people can come and book their car into your garage as opposed to going onto your competitor's garage. So you may have tried various strategies, and one of the common ones that people say to me is, hey, we get a lot of referral work. Now, it's great getting referral work, but the problem is you're depending on something that is just not sustainable. You might be getting referrals for a few months, but then what's going to happen during the quieter seasons when you're not getting your referrals anymore? Yeah, so you need to have a solid strategy in place, and this is what we do with garage owners, car garage owners just like yours, to have a sustainable strategy to get more leads, more bookings flowing into your garage, so your diary is full of bookings. Now, I'm going to tell you 5 different ways. The last one, I think it's going to be one that you're probably not suspecting, because it's something new that we're trialing out with a handful of garages, and it's worked extremely well. In fact, it's absolutely amazingly well. So let me start off by saying, okay, the first strategy that we can help garage owners just like yours is with Google Ads. Now, with Google Ads, what we do is that we place your business, your garage, at the top of the Google page. So let's say, for example, if someone goes to Google and types in MOT near me, and did you know, now for MOT near me, on average 90,000 people a month search for MOT near me on Google, and car garages near me, that's 50,000 searches per month UK wide. People are searching for car garages near me. Now, wouldn't it be great if you get a slice of that traffic, right? Maybe not all of it, maybe just a small slice of it. Just imagine what would happen to your garage if you even get 1% of those inquiries. Now, obviously, most garages don't tackle the whole of UK, but what we can do, we can target just your particular area. So within a 5-mile or a 10-mile radius. So when people are typing in, as an example, MOT near me, or MOT garages, or MOT my car, or service my car, or brake changes, right? Then your website appears at the top of the Google page, as opposed to your competitors winning all the business that you can potentially be winning. And this is what we do, something very successfully for a range of car garages just like yours. The second strategy we help car garage owners just like yours is we do something called SEO, that's search engine optimization. And with search engine optimization, what we can do is that we can get your business listed on the first page of Google, so that when people are typing in words like MOT near me, not only are you appearing at the top, but you're also appearing in the middle of the Google page, which is the organic section of Google. And the great thing about SEO is that regardless of how many times somebody clicks on the ads, clicks on the links to go to your website, it's not going to cost you a single penny. It's going to be free. You can get 1 million bookings from SEO alone, and you won't have to pay anyone a single penny for any one of those links. So why are you not on the first page of Google for your garage related keywords? Yeah. Now, your keywords, remember, it could also be garages in. So in other words, your location, like garages in Birmingham, or car repairs Birmingham, or London, and so on. So we can get you listed on the first page of Google for a whole load of services that you provide currently to your customers, and you want more of those, so you can get a competitive edge as opposed to your competitors getting a competitive edge. The other way that we help garage owners just like yours is we do something called display advertising and video advertising. Now, when I say display advertising, what I mean is that you can show your ad, your garage's ad, on another website relating to car garages for pennies. I'm talking about literally just a few pence per view. It's going to cost you hardly anything to get your website shown on those, and what that's going to do is going to increase your brand awareness, so that when people keep seeing your name, and when they've got a requirement like their car battery goes down, for example, they're going to remember that, hey, I saw the ad over there, right? Let me go and visit that company who I keep seeing popping up again and again. Now, with video advertising, what I mean is YouTube, as an example, is the second biggest search engine on the planet. There is no bigger search engine than that, right? A video search engine. And that's YouTube. And YouTube is also owned by Google. So what we can do, we can place your garage on the YouTube page, so that when people go onto YouTube or your competitors' YouTube channels, or they're researching something about best ways to MOT your car or fix your car. And the great thing is that if people click on the skip button, it won't cost you a single penny. You don't pay anyone a single pence, but your ad has been shown to that particular user. So display advertising and video advertising is absolutely brilliant for garage owners just like yours. Another way we help garage owners just like yours, or auto repair shops, as I said, that the Americans tend to use that terminology, is we do something called Google Business Profile Optimization, or it's otherwise called Google Maps. Yeah, Google keeps changing their words, right? Previously it was called Google My Business, same thing, right? And what that is that when people type in local keywords like near me, like garages near me, or brake changes near me, or servicing near me, or exhaust pipes changes near me, or gearbox company near me, right? This is great because when you scroll down the Google page, you will see a map with typically 3 listings, and it's quite graphical. And the great thing about Google Business Profile is that because it is graphical, it gets a lot of clicks. Not only does it get a lot of clicks, but every click that you, anytime that somebody clicks on one of those links, again, it won't cost you a single penny. So why is your business not listed on the Google My Business section or Google Business Profile section? As a test, what you might want to do, just go to Google, right? And just type in MOT near me, or brake changes near me, and see who appears in that section. If it's not yours, whoever is appearing in that section, they are the people that are winning bookings day in, day out. And another thing about Google Business Profile is it doesn't take a long time to get inside it. You can get in there fairly quickly, right? You can claim the top 3 spots. We've done that for so many different garages, right? Garages just like yours, and these garages are now telling us, hey, we're getting all these inquiries. What can we do with them? How can we expand? How can we get even more of these inquiries? Or how can we add this service onto it? Right? That's great. It's a great problem to have, because you're winning your business, and now your challenge is how you're going to service your customers. So Google My Business or Google Business Profile is the 4th way that we can help you as a garage owner or a marketing manager for the garage that you work in, to get more bookings booked in to your diary every single day. The last way I'm going to tell you on this particular video, we do a lot of other things as well, but I'm not going to go into those too much, is what we do is that we use sort of artificial intelligence. So when people are making inquiries, and let's say if you miss a call, a bot will then talk to your audience, your potential customer, and your customer might go into a live chat, for example, and they might say, hey, I'm looking to have an MOT, and the AI will automatically question them, saying, what type of car do you have? When would you like to make your booking? And it will automatically make the booking for you, right? Isn't that great? Or even if you miss a call, right? If you miss a phone call, this AI technology that we've got will actually start talking to all the people that we missed calls with via an SMS message, but it will all happen automatically without even being there. This is a new piece of tech. It's powered by AI. It's working phenomenally well. Now, here's the thing. What are you going to do next, right? You can either carry on running a garage like you do with the amount of inquiries that are coming in, right? Or you can take action today. And the one action I would like you to do is there'll be a link somewhere at the bottom of this video or around this video. Click on the link and get in touch with us, right? As soon as you click on the link, what it will do is it will ask you to give us your name, your details, and so on. And what we will then do, we'll get in touch with you, and we'll go through all these options to you properly, and options that suit your location, your budget, and your services and everything else. And we'll tell you exactly what we can do for garage owners just like you to get more bookings flowing into your garage. So don't just ignore this video now, because a lot of people, what they'll do, they just ignore it and they think, I will get around to it. But let's face it, you don't, because you get busy. Everyone gets busy in their lives, right? And they forget. And then they go home and then they're saying to their partners that, I had such a slow day today, I hardly had any bookings or whatever. And your partner should really be saying, well, what have you done about it proactively? And if the answer is, I'm just looking, or I'm waiting for this golden opportunity to come along, it's not. You got to do it now, right? So stop waiting, click on the link below this video or around this video, get yourself booked in, and either myself or a member of our team will call you and discuss with you all the options that you've got available to you to help you generate more bookings for your garage. If you want to get in touch with me, again, there'll be a link somewhere below, and I look forward to hearing from you and seeing that how we can help get your garage more MOT bookings, more services, more exhaust repairs, more, even if it's services like mobile tire fitting. Yeah, so a lot of our new customers want, it seems to be quite an in thing at the moment, mobile. So it's like mobile tire fitting, or mobile battery changes, or mobile bulb changes. So we do all of that. I look forward to seeing you. Take care for now. Bye bye.